Good morning, beautiful Peach.
Oh, good morning, buddy.
What's up, friends? What's happening? Welcome to day 2 of the Great Adventure South. And I got up early this morning, probably around 5:30. Tried to log a few hours. Yesterday wasn't as successful driving-wise as we thought it would be. Originally we were planning on being in Nashville. We're not even close to Nashville yet. Oh, we're kind of close. We're 4 hours away, maybe 3.
I thought I read 2.5.
Oh, maybe 2.5.
Yeah.
Anyway, maybe I should check a map. We did steel cut oats with blueberries, banana, and cashew butter, which is very, very delicious.
I'm ready to hit the road. I'm gonna be vlogging some driving hours. Eamon's gonna be editing our vlog from yesterday. If you guys haven't already watched it, we're making them like episodes. So this is episode 2, and yeah, that's all I can say about that. It's gonna be a good day.
All right, I'm gonna go back to editing. I just asked Beck to pull over because I need to go to the washroom again. Number 2. I usually do 2 a day. I don't know if you're interested. How's my boy David doing?
I'm always amazed when a plumber comes in and has no problem.
My name's Jeff. So the plan is we're gonna stop in Nashville at a cafe, maybe a couple cafes just to check out the scene and upload the video from yesterday. Also wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about kind of our plan over the next few days or weeks. We're meeting Christian and Aubrey in Austin, and we're gonna spend a few days there. They're gonna kind of show us around their hometown. And then we're gonna dip into Mexico. So if you guys are like really interested in knowing exactly the path that we're going, Christian and Aubrey have really dialed that in. We've got a friend that's Mexican that has a dad that still lives there, and he told us like what roads to go on. So apparently you just go on toll roads. They're much more safe, and you know, obviously we're not gonna drive at night. As far as accommodation goes, obviously we're gonna be living in our vans, but I think throughout major cities, and even probably the first, you know, few nights in Mexico, you good? We will be staying at hotel parking lots. And that will just give us a little bit of extra security. I've talked to Scott, Comes With A View, and he said that's how he kind of traveled through the country. It's like $5 a night, and they'll let you park in a locked facility. That way you just feel a little bit more safe. I'm not sure how I would feel about sleeping on the streets. And that's all we got for you. That's basically the plan. We're gonna try and get into Belize, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, but once again, we'll see how far we go and, you know, how the vans are running and all that kind of thing.
And we have to be back for April.
Yeah, so our deadline is we're gonna be back for April. We're in a yoga show, and Christian and Aubrey are joining us then as well. Hopefully we don't get sick of them. I prepared some documentation. I laminated all of my important documents on this really cute little setup. I even got them a little, it's not fancy.
You're so proud of yourself.
Yeah, dude, a little twist tie. So when you get pulled over by the po-po, you just give them that. Because apparently, a lot of times they'll take your actual documents and then expect a bribe for you to get them back, so.
Do you think they'll accept those documents?
Apparently what you do is if they don't accept it, you say, I will give you the real documents if we go to a police station. And then they just say, oh no, whatever, forget about it.
Oh, I'm glad you've done this kind of research. Oh, knew something was gonna happen, and it's gonna continue to happen, and then... Are you gonna wash it now that it's falling on the floor? I don't like when you leave like the floor on it.
Well, what? Oh. It's good to be back.
I really like that piece where you took the time to cut out that part. I'm excited to interact with like some like, what are they gonna sound like? Country folk out here?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
I think so.
Ooh, wow.
Ooh, wow.
My butt is achy. Oh Lord, my butt is achy.
Welcome to Nashville, y'all.
Oh man, that's a good stretch.
Hey, watch the video while I'm pulling up.
Okay.
The vlog's running, by the way.
The vlog's running?
Yeah.
Oh, today's vlog. Oh. Oh, hello.
So we're heading to a coffee shop that one of you guys actually recommended. and Becca is just watching my edits, and then hopefully we'll upload the video quickly. How do you like the vlog so far?
I don't know, it's really different, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm still learning. I'm not sure what to think. So I just put on some clothes for the day because, you know, we're going out in public now.
We just made it to Crema Coffee, and I was just talking to one of the baristas about the chai they use. And he's like, yeah, we use a really awesome company called Chaiwala. And I was like, huh, interesting. But there is another company, and they're from Tennessee, Chaiwala. So we're obviously gonna give that a rip and expect a detailed, comprehensive review.
We don't have any outlets in this location, but she did recommend a location, second location of Crema.
Also, the Wi-Fi was really weak.
We might be experiencing that everywhere though, babe. We haven't had to do this in a while, eh? We haven't been on the road for a couple of months, so it's always a part of the adventure finding the Wi-Fi to upload our videos. Look at this gray hair. Oh,
You heard this little baby?
yeah. I guess that's the city skyline of, where are we again? Nashville.
Really successful time on the upload at Pinewood Social. This place is popping off. They got a bowling alley in here. And I also ordered 2 chais, 1 iced, 1 hot. Yeah, she looked at me like I was a little nuts because I think she thought they were both for me. But it's all good. Very different from what we're used to. I think it's different, which can be a good thing. Definitely clove heavy. There's saffron in there I saw on the back of the label, which is giving it that unique flavor.
Yeah, it tastes like thyme.
And also very sweet. So a little bit sweeter, but nice work, Chaiwala. And we've got a new squad member. We met up with Benny the vegan.
I crashed the party.
Say what?
Hey guys.
Benny is not a Nashville local, but
I am now.
Yeah, he is sort of.
2.5 years now.
Cool. So Benny is going to show us around. He's told us a few spots. What's the street called? Broadway?
We're going to Broadway.
We're going to Broadway. And he's also highly recommending a vegan restaurant, which we might check out. Quick change of plans. We're going to go meet Ben at his crib because I need to drain like a ½ liter of oil. And he said we could use his facilities. So we're going to do that quickly before we go explore. I keep going to slam the lens, but then I always forget to like pull off, you know? So sorry about that, guys.
So as Eamon explained, Benny's helping us remove some oil from ours, and he is a trained mechanic at this point because him and his partner are actually outfitting this van into their own little tiny home. So it's nameless at the moment. This is Copper, hey bud. And yeah, they are beginning stages, you guys, but I'll be sure to link them up so you guys can check out their progress. They have to start their channel, and then I'll link them up.
Yep, and we've got an Instagram now.
Yeah, what is it?
Plug it, Benny.
All right, the Instagram, the name may change. Right now it's just Benny Ari Life.
Nice.
Benny Ari Life. What?
Benny Ari Life, A-R-I Life.
That's right.
This might make it into the vlog, this conversation.
Say hi. Tell him to say hi.
I'm reasonable.
You might be a movie star one day.
Oh my goodness, come on. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Yeah, I see it.
It's right in the middle.
This has got to be the thumbnail.
The pan, is it a nut that I just unscrew a little bit?
The best thing about travel is meeting locals like this here Benny. What up? He's bringing us to Coco's Ice Cream. It's dairy free. We're super stoked. It might be cold out, but it's still worth it for the ice cream. Let's check it out. Is it your company, you guys?
Yes.
Oh, congrats! That's amazing. Sam and
Becca wanted me to
reenact.
re-say a line here, but this stuff's amazing. Typically when you get like a handcrafted vegan ice cream, it's like really like ice chunky and like coconutty.
Your dad's always saying like, I can't find any good ice cream.
But this is like smooth and silky and creamy, and it's actually really good.
Good job, you guys. We're at Grace Grace. I was gonna say it like grazie, like something. So we're at Grace, and we're with Benny and Ari, and with Coco.
To your left,
You guys just saw them. There's a dairy-free ice cream.
they're crashing our dinner.
Yeah. So we've got a whole gang. We're never leaving Nashville at this point. We're completely obsessed with everyone here. And we're at a vegan restaurant in East Nashville. I'm trying what I've like really been missing out on and said I want to do is like broccoli with cheese. My mom used to make this all the time.
Amazing.
Yeah, just go in there, no problem.
Got a ribeye.
Damn,
It's Satan.
that's amazing.
Oh my gosh.
It looks,
With mashed potatoes?
yeah, potatoes and broccoli and a salad.
Wow.
You're a steak and potato kind of guy, eh?
Why did
Wow.
you just unpick there, babe?
I did?
Yeah, you just assumed the...
I said thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
But that wasn't hick at all.
Oh, no?
No. Guys,
I see the
huge
end
shout
comment.
out to Graze in Nashville.
Hey, y'all.
Amazing food, like really, really delicious. I would highly recommend the, what's it called, the Baja? That was my favorite, the sandwich.
Seitan banh mi.
Seitan banh mi.
Oh, I was just gonna ask some deep questions. So,
so turn
I
off the
have no
vlog.
idea. Yeah, I was just gonna ask about like some intense stuff. I don't know.
Okay, we'll see you in a bit.
Yeah.
We're back in the van for a quick sec, but we're just gonna hook up our little, ooh, I need an extra battery. I think I have one. We're just gonna turn on the heat and we've decided to go down to Broadway. Are you gonna be warm enough, baby?
No.
Do you want something else?
What else do we have? I left all my winter gear in Toronto. I thought I was leaving the cold.
Here's the famous Batman building. Quick, fun fact about the Batman building.
The top of it looks just like Batman.
So we've decided to come downtown and check out the live music scene in Nashville. This is kind of what Nashville's all about. It's the country music, the artists, and we're on Broadway. So we're just at the top of Broadway, but apparently it gets even more crazy down here.
We showed up at the strip and forgot Becca's ID, so Benny had to sneak her into the back door. Apparently Darnell is the dancing legend here at Tin Roof.
Oh man, he's taking us real deep into the streets of Nashville tonight.
What I was saying, I love like local sports because they take you down the dark alley you would never.
And that was the last anyone heard of Eamon and Beck.
Yeah, seriously.
My baby, she looks so fine. 36, 22, 36. Eyes on, hands on.
And
My family.
I love my...
love my life. Yeah. Have you guys seen that video? She's the cutest.
Classic. Our phoneage situation, camera
Battery situation.
died. But we had an amazing time, and huge shout out to Benny, who like basically was our tour guide in Nashville.
It's amazing.
Meeting locals is always such an incredible way to explore the city. So he showed us a great time. Coco's ice cream joint, they joined us for dinner.
That was a lot of fun.
Super, super cool entrepreneurs. And yo, if you haven't been to Nashville, you might need to check out Nashville.
Nashville exceeded my expectations.
It's
Not that I
cool.
had like many ideas of what it was gonna be, but it was so awesome. Day 2, baby. Already,
two.
I've got that feeling, like it normally takes me a couple of days to settle into a
Down my
travel.
bones.
Okay,
Yeah.
you talk.
No, go ahead. I was just singing.
I feel like whenever we do a big trip, the first couple of days you feel like, oh my god, is this crazy? Why are we doing this? But already, and I think it's because we have our home with us, I feel so good about this trip.
Yeah,
Do you too?
I feel really pumped.
I feel so good about it.
Plan for tomorrow is we're getting up early, like 5 a.m. again, and we're gonna crush the day. 12 hours to Austin. Christian
We'll
and
make it
Aubrey,
all the way to Austin.
they're missing us a lot.
Yeah.
He texted me, he's like, or no, he called, he's like, hey dude, just wanted to let you know, I'm probably going to a concert on Tuesday night, so I'd love to like treat you and Beck to the concert. I was like, Christian, is this just a way to speed up our travel time to Austin? He's like, yeah, maybe. So we're gonna try and book it down there, and until next time.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button.
Also, both couples we're hanging out with tonight, we're talking about starting a YouTube channel.
Yes.
And if they are, I think they would be amazing content.
Yes.
So if they are, then they're going to be linked below. If they're not, then you should find them on IG and just hammer them with go start a YouTube channel. Okay, bye.
My baby, she looks so fine. 36, 22. 36, I saw